humans have done damage to nature. The ozone layer is getting thinner. Nature! This is not a good example. We can't do it literally. This will cause pollution of nature. Nature? What is the interpretation of nature? Nature is something that is given by God to us.
It's not a place for visit. It's a place that we consider as a home. Home that we must appreciate, which is
living things and also non-living things in the world that exist independently.
For example, a mountain, trees, ocean, river, and others. Trees release oxygen from photosynthesis that gives human fresh air to breathe.
nature will be a place that full of creatures, beautiful creatures that live in our life.
Essentially, nature is everything that is not artificially created or influenced by human being.
By Oxford Languages, nature is the phenomena of physical world collectively, including plants, animals, the landscape, and other features and products of the earth, as opposed to humans or human creations. On the subject of Guardians of Tree is the power of empowerment and one's own power to choose to make new change on one's life.
Our Earth is getting older in every passing second, and a lot of damage to our nature also occurred as time flowed. And with that being the case, we, as the teenagers, should play our part in looking after the nature.
Teenagers are the greenkeepers nowadays. But why teenagers?
The teenagers are important to take care of the environment because we are the future of our world. When we start to take care of the environment, the young generations will be influenced by us. Thus, the environment will be taken care of continuously, and that's why teenagers are important for the environment.
For your information, nature and natural ecosystems are closely related. So, what do you understand about the natural ecosystem?
Natural ecosystem consists of biotic and abiotic components.
Its natural ecosystems also provides food, shelter,
Interactions between organisms and the environment.
and habitats to approximately 10,000 species of plants and a wide array of animals.
For biotic component, it consists of living organisms such as humans, trees, and animals.
And it does not need existence from humans.
For abiotic components, which is non-living organisms such as soil, water, and gas. So, the way these components interact is critical in an ecosystem.
Ranging from the world's smallest squirrel, the pygmy squirrel, to the largest land mammal in Asia, the Asian elephant, and of course the iconic but endangered Borneo orangutan.
And they are self-sustaining. Nature also includes the process and forces that drive to the natural world, such as water cycle and also natural phenomena.
Do you know what will happen if humans stop taking care of the nature?
The effect of stop taking care of nature is
Firstly is global warming. Second is pollution.
deforestation, climate change, urbanization,
And lastly is habitat destruction. So, to sum it all up,
The beauty and diversity of our natural world depends on our own actions today.
every small step that you take can lead to a big change.
Together, we can protect our future for the next generation. This is an area that has been well maintained by humans.